video, and I was in my little school uniform pinafore. You know, back in those days we used to wear those little checkered my little socks up to my knees, and I just needed something to know that I was innocent and I was a kid and I'd been groomed. So the one in particular they allowed me to watch because it wasn't quite as horrific as the others. Yeah, was me as a very small kid, and I will never forget. And I turned and said, "Are you happy with me now, Daddy?"
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Yeah, and I had to watch it because I just felt like everything I was finding out was so far out of my imagination that I needed some kind of perspective again. So I was very, very little, and I watched that one.